Moving atoms in the masses, shooting stars above the sky made up of static. All their secrets an enigma, but the answer's in the light where it all became reflected. Now the memory's a stigma, all this energy compacted. A constellation of charisma hidden in us, always with us. Now we know that we're galactic.